Alright, so today I want to talk about polynomials and just kind of the nomenclature that goes around with it. So first I'm going to have an x unit, I'm going to have 2x, and I want to have a 2x squared. And then I want to have 2x squared plus 2x. So this, if we look at them just as what they are, this is called a monomial because there's one term. And a term is basically terms are separated by plus or minus signs. So this is one term, this is one term, this is one term, this is two. These two things are two terms. The two out in front of any variable in a polynomial is called a coefficient. So the coefficient of x squared is 2. If x is raised to a power, this is called an exponent. That's what those are called. And then we have this over here as well. So this is going to be called a binomial, meaning we have two terms in it. And then we also may have a constant over here as well. And a constant, big C, stands for constant, which basically is a big fancy word for a number. So this could be like 4. 4 is a constant number. It's not going to change its value. Variables are variables because they do change value. So that's what's unique about them. So this would be a binomial, or polynomial. Poly meaning many. So that's kind of some polynomial stuff to know. What these go into is quadratic functions. This is a linear function. This is a quadratic function, and we know this based off both the shape of their graph and the power that they are raised to. So I just want to think about the shape of their graph. 2x is going to look like a steep line because it has a slope of 2, and 2x squared is going to be a very steep parabola. And this comes from the coefficient on the x squared term. So that's some things to think about when thinking about polynomials and functions.